Welcome back, students. This is the fourth part of chapter 3, Saviors of the Train. So let's read further. Oh, stop, 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 cried Bobby. No one heard her. At least Peter and Phyllis didn't, for the oncoming rush of the train covered the sound of her voice with a mountain of sound. But afterwards she used to wonder whether the engine itself had not heard her. It seemed almost as though it had, for it slackened swiftly, slackened and stopped for the 20 yards from the place where Bobby's two flags waved over the line. She saw the great black engine stop dead, and somehow she could not stop waving the flags. And when the driver and the fireman had got off the engine and Peter and Phyllis had gone to meet them and pour out their excited tale of the awful mound just round the corner, Bobby still waved the flags, but more and more feebly and jerkily. When the station was reached, the three were the heroes of an agitated meeting on the platform. So now Bobby cried, "Stop, stop, stop," but no one heard her voice. Okay, and at least the other two siblings, that is Peter and Phyllis, they were not able to hear due to the rush of the train. Due to this train, the voice was not heard. But afterwards she used to wonder, okay, but later on she used to wonder whether that engine itself, it heard her or not. Okay, and it seemed almost as though it had, for it slackened swiftly. Slackened means became slower. Okay, so it seemed to her almost and thought it had, okay, that the train, it had heard her, okay, when she was shouting stop, stop, okay, because it slackened swiftly. The train, it became slower and then stopped not 20 yards from the place where Bobby's two flags waved over the line. And now what happened? The train stopped because the children were waving red flags at the train. Okay, and red is the signal of or for danger, and the train driver stopped on sensing something was wrong. So but Bobby could not stop waving the flag because she was extremely nervous and excited. The praises they got for their prompt action, their common sense and their ingenuity were enough to have turned anybody's head. Phyllis enjoyed herself thoroughly. She had never been a real heroine before, and the feeling was delicious. Peter's ears got very red, yet he too enjoyed himself. Only Bobby wished they all wouldn't. She wanted to get away. "Oh, come away, come away. I want to go home," she said. So now the three siblings, they were the heroes of an agitated meeting. Agitated means excited meeting on the platform when they reached, okay, when the station reached. And so now the frightful accident did not happen. Okay, why? Because of the bravery, their prompt action, okay, their common sense, that is the idea of waving the red scarves to stop the train, and their ability to solve problems cleverly. Okay, and the three siblings, they got praises for that. Now Phyllis was very much excited and she enjoyed herself thoroughly. She had never got this chance of feeling like a real heroine before, and so was very delighted. Okay, she was delighted because of this. And Peter also enjoyed whatever happened, but Bobby wanted to go home quickly. Okay, she just wanted to get away with the situation, with everything that was happening, and wanted to go home. So this was all about the story Saviors of the Train. So who are the saviors here? The three siblings. Okay, that is Roberta, Peter and Phyllis, and they saved the train from the frightful accident. Okay, and they were able to do this because of their bravery, okay, their common sense and their courage. Okay, so because of their qualities, these qualities, they were able to save the train from this frightful accident. Okay, that could have happened due to this landslide, but it did not happen. Okay, so what do we learn from this story? That we should inculcate these qualities in us, within us, that is bravery. We should be brave, okay, and we should be clever, okay, and we should use our common sense. Okay, why so? Because by using their common sense only, that is the idea of waving the red scarves, they were able to stop the train. So this was all about chapter 3, Saviors of the Train. Thank you so much.